Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Bgmi and the OS are updated. Outdated builds can block connections. Once done, switch to Wi-Fi because mobile networks rarely allow custom DNS. You will set DNS at the device level, open Wi-Fi settings, edit the network, and choose manual or static IP options to enter DNS addresses. Enter the DNS Firewall server IP you prepared. This routes game traffic through filtering rules. This first step enforces DNS before Bgmi launches, which is why you must do it now. Once the device DNS is set, you configure the firewall rules that matter. Log into the DNS Firewall console and add allow rules for Bgmi domains and related services, then add deny rules for known trackers or cheat servers. This prevents undesired redirections. Make sure to set primary and secondary DNS in your device so failover works. If the firewall supports DNS over TLS, enable it for integrity. This reduces tampering risks. After saving, restart Wi-Fi so the new policy takes effect. You finish by validating the setup. Open Bgmi and observe login and match connectivity. If you see timeouts or DNS errors, check the firewall logs to identify blocked domains and temporarily revert to a safe alternate DNS to isolate the issue. Make sure to clear the device DNS cache or reboot the phone. Many problems stem from cached entries. If a specific Bgmi service is blocked, whitelist its domain in the DNS firewall and retry. This targeted fix avoids wholesale disabling of filtering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.